Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the dataset into the graph workspace, connect the CSV or database, and select the key fields. Once done, map node ID and edge relations so the tool can build links automatically. Make sure to normalize numeric scales and cast types to avoid mismatches. This reduces errors later and speeds processing. As you import, preview the first 100 rows to confirm ID align with relationships. Fix mismatches now, not later. Now define the structure. Assign node types, labels, and the properties you will analyze. This determines queries. Then declare edge types, selecting directionality and weights to represent strength. Include timestamps if you need temporal views. Once defined, apply filters to limit size and choose an initial layout. Force-directed for relationships, radial for hierarchies. This helps reveal patterns. If performance lags, sample data or use aggregated edges to keep the graph responsive while you iterate. Finish by running analyzes. Centrality, clusters, shortest paths. Save presets so you can reproduce results. Once insights appear, refine visuals. Adjust colors, size scales, and labels, then export the figure as PNG or SVG and the underlying node/edge tables as CSV or JSON. If the layout crashes or looks wrong, check for duplicate ID, zero or infinite weights, and overly dense subgraphs. Make sure to reduce node count or aggregate edges to restore stability. One troubleshooting tip: verify unique ID first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.